Oh, look at that. Honey and coffee. Sure does look good. I got this coffee pot sent to me to make a video about. It's kind of hot outside today, so I think I'm going to test it out by making a cup of iced coffee. The trick to making a good cup of iced coffee is you want a real strong cup of coffee, and then you pour that in with your ice and your cream. Oh, and it smells so good too. Yeah, that smells nice. This is a nice coffee pot. Another trick to making a really good cup of iced coffee is you put some honey in it. The honey's nice and syrupy and it tastes really sweet, and then you put it in while it's still hot before you pour it over the ice. Yeah, you want to pour a lot in there if you want it to be a nice sweet cup of iced coffee. Oh, look at that. Honey and coffee. Sure does look good. You can also pour a little vanilla in there, like a spoonful of vanilla there. You don't want too much, but just enough there. Fill this all the way to the top with ice there. Pour it in nice and slow. And then we'll top it off with some cream. There we go with the cream. So it's a real simple recipe: a cup of coffee, a jar of ice, a tablespoon of vanilla, and a bunch of honey, how much ever you like. And then top it off with the cream there. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's good.